In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the latest products from Philips Hue, the Dymera Indoor and Outdoor Wall Light. This is a smart wall light that can shine any of millions of colors both up and down on any wall, creating stunning lighting effects for your home. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about the Dymera, including its features, installation, and integration with other smart home devices. So without further ado, let's get started. The Dymera is a wall light that has two light sources, one at the top and one at the bottom. Each light source can be controlled independently, so you can choose different colors and brightness levels for each one. You can also sync them together to create a uniform look. The Dymera can produce white and colored light with a color temperature range from 2000 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin and a brightness of up to 1020 lumens. That means you can create warm and cozy atmospheres or cool and energizing ones, depending on your mood and preference. The Dymera is designed to be used indoors or outdoors as it has a weatherproof rating of IP44. That means it can withstand water splashes from any direction, as well as dust and dirt. The Dymera has a sleek and subtle design that blends into the surrounding decor, bringing an element of sophistication to any space in your home. You can use it to highlight a feature wall, create a focal point, or add some ambience to your patio or garden. The Dymera is a smart light, which means you can control it with your smartphone, tablet, or voice. To do that, you'll need a Philips Hue bridge, which is the hub that connects all your Philips Hue lights and accessories. The bridge allows you to access the full suite of smart lighting features, such as setting timers, routines, scenes, and automations. You can also control your lights with your voice using Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, or Google Assistant. For example, you can say, "Alexa, turn on the Dymera," or "Hey Google, set the Dymera to blue." One of the coolest features of the Dymera is that you can use it to decorate for the holidays with light. You can use the Philips Hue app to choose from millions of colors and create festive scenes for any occasion. For example, you can use red and green for Christmas, pastels for Easter, or purple for Halloween. You can also sync your lights with music, movies, or games using third-party apps like Hue Sync or Hue Entertainment. This way, you can create immersive and dynamic lighting experiences that match the content on your screen or the sound in your room. The Dymera is easy to install, as it comes with a mounting plate and screws. You'll need to connect it to a power outlet and then pair it with your Philips Hue bridge. You can use the Philips Hue app to name your light, assign it to a room, and customize its settings. You can also add it to a group with other Philips Hue lights, so you can control them all together. The Dymera is compatible with other Philips Hue accessories, such as the Hue dimmer switch, the Hue motion sensor, and the Hue wall switch module. You can use these devices to enhance your control and convenience without using your phone or voice. The Dymera is available now on the Philips Hue website and other online retailers for $219 in the United States. It comes with a 10-year lifespan, a 2-year warranty, and a 30-day return policy. It is one of the most advanced and versatile wall lights from Philips Hue, and I think it's worth checking out if you're looking for a smart lighting solution that can transform any space in your home. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Dymera, and if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.